What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're up at another early morning car show. It's been a minute since COVID started. There hasn't been a ton of early morning car shows, but the Car Culture's Limitless car shows today down in Pearland. Should be a ton of supercars and stuff here at the show today, so let's get down there. Let me know what your favorite car in the video is today, guys, down in the comments below. We got Mr. Sinclair Photos picking us up in the Rocket Bunny FRS. Let's get on down there to the show. Oh, RS. Oh, yeah. Sent it for the boys. Alrighty, boys, we are here at the Pearland Town Center, parked up in the middle of the little plaza thing, and we're here. Lots of supercars here already, so let's get right into the action. Me being a little McLaren fanboy, we gotta go take a look at the 720 Spider-Man. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my God. So over here we start off with an early Viper. Looks like a Gen 2. Yeah, Gen 2 GTS. Followed by a 4C, then a Hellcat wide body. Looking pretty nice. Go down to my Corvette friends. Got the Z06. I'm pretty sure this is the C7R edition. Yeah, C7R. Nice. Then butterfly doors. The Stingray, look at that. That's a crazy color.
Yeah, I know.
Red Aventador SV. Did he get an SV?
Yes.
This man's rowdy in the F-Type.
Hey, Tony, I can't hear you.
Oh, his Instagram's 2.9 GPA. That's amazing. That exhaust looks crazy. Damn it, boy, do it look good. This exhaust looks crazy too. Carbon fiber, oh Lord. If you wanna drop him a follow, he got you right here. Get you some clout. So we got Carbonzilla here. A car that I don't think I've seen in at least 3 years. Out here once again. Looking crazy. The whole body's carbon. The wheels, everything. Even the doors now. It used to not have the doors in carbon fiber. Oh, it's the Shop Houston's car. Big wing, parachute, I heart cops. I love it, dude. Last time I saw this car, he did not have a parachute on it, but now it looks like an alpha car. Probably pretty damn quick. We got the homie Baboon Garage and the crazy wrapped Murcielago. This thing's nuts. One of the best sounding cars out there. Pretty sure he's a frequency intelligence exhaust on it. Y'all can go drop him a follow on his Instagrams. There we go. It's amazing. Matte Black 812 super fast. This thing's crazy. Looks killer in that color. And then we got the 570S. Sounds crazy. Listen to all this turbo noise. Oh Lord. Just the idle. Bad UFO. And then the UGR Huracan Performante. Another fast guy pulling up. AMG GTR. Yo, what's good? Twin turbo Huracan Performante, man, this thing's crazy. 1,000+ horsepower car. Boys, we got the F8 Tributo here. I haven't seen one of these since Car Week. Looking crazy. God, man, the F8 Tributo looks crazy in person. I think I've only seen like one or two of these at Car Week and they're both red. Look at that. Little Audio rate action. And the Urus. That doesn't sound stock. And the LS240. I love it. So we got the Hellcat Red Eye here in F8 green, looking very nice. And then we have this dude here in a black Z06, just like your boy. Same wheels and everything, just different color. Man. We got the homie James in the 448 Savage Scat on his new Bogart wheels. These things look sick. E92 M3, man, in purple, looking very nice on the white TE37s. Very clean look, man. I like the wing. It's like the Lime Rock Park Edition wing. That's sick. His plate's Hulu. He has a buddy with the same color Porsche, and his plate's Netflix. So, kind of funny. C8 in the building, man. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sheesh. A twin turbo Gallardo and a Supra. Ooh. You can hear the turbos from here. We got the Mclaren 620R and the Evos behind it, inspired by the Super Trofeo cars. Oh Lord, I just went the wrong way. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. 620R. 620R. The street legal version of some McLaren. It looks sick. In case you forgot, it's real big on top of the wing what car it is. And we got the Super Trofeo inspired Huracan Evo. Which would you take? I think I'm going McLaren all day, every day, any day of the week. Yeah, McLaren for sure.
What's this one? Check that out.
McLaren GT. Damn, son.
Okay, I actually really like that. I usually don't like that car, but that color makes it look really more.
Damn, boy. Uh-oh, he made an oopsies. So, we got the C8 on the Trident wheels with the Lil Wang, but he has the Z51 package. Is that a blue? Does he have the blue interior? Yeah, he's a blue interior. Okay, I like that.
It knocks up there.
Matches with the gray pretty well. Okay, boys. If the video gets 362,473 likes, I will put scissor doors on the vet. If you can't tell, it's not something I want to do, but I will if it gets that many likes. So we got a C7Z pulling up the whole 9 yards, pro charged, big wing. This is crazy. Oh my God, brother. That's wild. Jack the crazy man with the dumps. Still has his exhaust in place, but.
Or ask me to show up on and hopefully
It's Mr. DJ Marvin's. What's going on, boss? Yes, sir. That thing is insane. So we have the Ford GT, purple Huracan, Vantage. Ford GT is the favorite though, for sure. GT3, Porsches. And then, of course, Aventador SV. It just looks so crazy. It's so low and just sleek. My goodness. Got the GT3 RS, did a little flyby for us. Very nicely colored GT3 as well. the crazy Viper man that likes to drift and stuff for the boys. And then this Huracan is really sick. I'm really typically not a huge fan of Huracans, but this color, it's like matte silver, looks really nice. Like that carbon fiber little splitter thing. That's actually a huge splitter, not little. And the big old wing back here. Yes, sir. Now here's the car I haven't seen in a very long time, since the beginning of the channel. The Mercedes SLR McLaren, man. This is crazy. I think if you want to be the ultimate baller, this is the car to do it in. There's nothing that looks more quite as baller as this car. Got the Mercedes looks, but the doors that go up like a McLaren, man. And then big old, I think it's a, I forget what motor's in this car. But yeah, it's back here, so it's mid-engine. It's behind the front wheels, so mid-engine right there. Still in the front, but so far back with the long hood. The F8 Tributo rolling out. Man, that thing just looks so crazy. See, boss. Mr. Savage Cat rolling out. You know, I gotta have the puppies in the video. It's dogs across Texas. Oh my goodness. Hello, puppy. Oh my goodness. So sweet. Got the straight pipe 570S heading out. Sheesh, man. That sounds great. We'll run across real quick. The Delica, AKA the toaster. I love it. I love it, dude. That's what I'm talking about, brother. Skirt, skirt, brother. Damn, son. C7R.
Never mind.
You can't ignore this beauty.
Alright, after C7R, got a story.
I love it. Got the butterfly door Stingray rolling out. Yes, sir.
Try not to rev it.
See you, buddy. Ooh, green brakes. I like that. Jesus.
Hey, thanks for coming in. Try not to rev it too hard here.
can feel the exhaust from his dumps in your chest. Got the Viper rolling out, man. This thing is so sick. Oh yeah, it's a amazing plate. No, don't go that way, come this way. No, no, no. Oh, there's Will in the twin turbo Huracan Performante. It's pretty nice. We got the homie Caesar in the Performante, the black on silver spec. Super clean. If you want to drop him a follow, it's right there, the man in the machine. So make sure to drop him a follow and make sure you tell him I sent you. Caesar right here, the man in the machine himself.
Man in the machine, let's go.
Yes sir, yes sir.
What the heck?
Wrap it, do it. 800,000 likes on the video, he does it.
There we go, that's an accurate number.
Twin turbo Mustang?